How to use the Wix Owner App or Wix Mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you what it has to offer. So first, if we hop onto it, it's going to look like this. We can get started or we can log in with an account that we already have. So I'm going to choose login here and I'm going to continue with Google. So basically, I will just choose the account that I have created a Wix website with. And like I said, I'm going to show you what it has to offer. Now, bear in mind, it is kind of limited compared to the desktop version, which is to be expected because it is a mobile application. So right here from the top, it will make you hop onto your website directly. So as you can see, if I click at the top, it will show me a list of all of my websites that I have created. And if I want to make a new one, I will click on this button here and it will ask me the type of website that I'm creating. And we have to set a name, and then it will pretty much give you some limited options for the creation of a website. But we're going to pretend like we already have a website created, like I do here. And I'm just going to hop onto it. And it looks like this. So it will show you first the analytics of your website. So how many sales if it's a store and all of that jazz. Now, what else can you see here? You can see the contacts, so people that have been invited or that have access to this website. And then you will see a list of your products, and you can manage your products by clicking on the manage products here, and you can choose to add a new product. You can set the price, you can set the product name, add discount, visibility, product details, which is surprisingly a lot of options for a mobile application here. So that is for the products. You can also do in stock and advanced options here as well. But we are just going to go back here. And other than the products, we have payments. So we can view payments here for any payments that have been accepted onto our website, payouts, and pay links. So we can also make a new pay link here. So one-time payment or multi-payment. Invoices and price quotes, subscriptions, loyalty points, media storage. Here you will be able to track all of your storage and how much you filled out, and tasks and reminders here if you want to set any. So that was the home page. It has the most tools which you can make use of. And also you can directly navigate to different parts here. At the very top, you will see orders, points of sale, coupons, forms, subscriptions. So if you click on them directly, then you can get transferred over to those. So payment, invoices, pay links. So basically everything that we saw on the home page, but it navigates you directly to the setting that you've chosen. Now, that was for the homepage. Like I said, surprisingly, a lot of customization options here. If we go to the second tab, which is activity here, then it will show you the actions required of you. So for example, I have not set up my payments, so that's why it shows up as an action required. And if I click on here, then I can complete or add my Wix payments. So that's for the activity tab. And the most important, arguably, tab right here is the add. If we click on add, then we can create a product here. Like I just showed you, we can create a product. This is even more simplified than the home screen. So if I click on add, like you just saw, I can add a product, a pay link, invoice, add a coupon, send push notifications. This is for my phone, so I get notifications enabled. We can make a video, we can create a social post, we can even create an email campaign here. So if I click on create email campaign, then we can choose a template here. And then we can change the background. So as you can see, I can edit this directly from the Wix mobile application, which is kind of good, to be honest. Kind of impressive is what I meant. But that is for the email campaigns. And what else do we have here? So what we have is the inbox. So for example, if you have set up a if you have set up your business email here, then you will be able to receive all of your emails in this one place. And this is called the Wix Owner App. So if you have emails and you are the owner, you can reply to emails here and also check the archive. So the last thing here from the bottom is the Manage tab, and if we click on Manage, then you will see first the site and app. So here you will be able to see the status of your website. You can also connect the domain here if we click on it, but it requires a premium plan, which I don't have, unfortunately. And you can also view your website here by clicking on this view button. So this is what your website is going to look like on mobile. And you can also share the URL here if we click on it and to show up some of my friends, but that's how you share your URL. And also there's a mobile application called Spaces, which you can add members to by inviting them with this code. And you can also customize it here. So if we click on customize, then you can make an invite button. You can click on your shop. So you see directly the customization options for your website. So the other things were just like, how do I say, you add different like products, different features to your website, and here you can directly customize it. So you can add an element, the loyalty program, which I've set up on my PC version. And you can click on button here, and you can choose different styles for buttons as well. You can change your store name. You can do or add a subtitle. You can show logo. So you can click on add logo, and you can add the logo with Media Manager, or you can create a Wix logo with the logo maker. And you can also add a cover photo, and you got different options here as well to show member count and other things. So I'm going to go back here, and if I go to settings, this is what I just looked at. Yes, leave the design, and here you can customize the screens as well. So for example, if you want to reorganize your pages, you can click on here and you can either delete the page, you can remove it from navigation. Basically, this is what your home screen pages look like, or menu pages, and you can reorder them here by dragging them, and you can also remove some different ones. So if I go back here, that is the screens. And what else can we do here? So you can offer coupons, you can create an email campaign like I just showed you. And the last thing that I want to take a look at real quick, if I click on these three dots here, you can view your live site. Like I said, connect domain. And if you click on your profile icon, then you will see all of your account settings on the mobile app. So you can chat with them, you can see some help articles here, you can change the app language and the app display. So you can do dark mode, light mode. If I do dark mode, I'm going to restart it here, and it's gonna look like this, so it's easier to read. And what else do we have here? We can set some notifications, and we can log out at the very bottom, and we can also manage some account settings here. So basic info, two-step verification, and we can also delete our Wix account. So it's quite the good app when it comes to features. Like, bear in mind, this is a mobile app and you can do a lot of things for your Wix website. So I hope this was informative. I hope this overview was good for you, helpful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you guys next time.